Welcome to this video where we will be discussing 5 AI developers tools that are changing the game of software development. In today's world, AI and machine learning are becoming increasingly prevalent in the development of software applications. To keep up with the pace, developers are seeking tools that can help them work more efficiently, increase productivity, and focus on the core aspects of their projects, and these tools are here to help us make the most of it. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The first tool on our list is Dataure. If you're looking for a fast and efficient way to build computer vision applications, Dataure is the tool for you. It allows you to manage datasets, annotate, train, and deploy all without writing a single line of code. Dataure is a paid tool, but it's worth every penny. The subscription starts at $249 per month. It's perfect for teams and enterprises that are looking to build high-quality computer vision applications in no time. Next, Mars AI. This is a low-code platform that enables developers, entrepreneurs, and tech enthusiasts to create high-quality apps quickly and easily. With Mars X, you can build micro-apps instead of building yet another SaaS with less hassle and no need to market and be paid by thousands of users. The platform provides access to all the micro-apps built by thousands of developers, saving you the time and effort of reinventing the wheel. By building micro-apps and publishing them on their marketplace, you can generate a sustainable revenue stream and take your career to the next level. Mars X is currently free, and it's the perfect tool to unleash your creativity and productivity. Dataure is an AI-based IDE extension that acts as a virtual assistant for developers. It assists with coding, debugging, and refactoring, providing solutions and suggestions for any issues that may arise during the software development process. This tool can improve your workflow and code quality, making the development process more efficient and streamlined. Dataure is currently free and compatible with various IDEs. Teachable Machine is a free web-based tool that makes creating machine learning models fast, easy, and accessible to everyone. It's meant to be used by educators, artists, students, innovators, makers of all kinds, anyone who has an idea they want to explore. With Teachable Machine, you can train a machine learning model without any prerequisite knowledge of machine learning. The tool enables you to quickly experiment with various inputs like images, sounds, and more to create custom models. The possibilities are endless with Teachable Machine. The final tool on our list is Bifurist. It's a tool that can help turn Figma designs into React code automatically. With this tool, designers can create and update screens in Figma without the need for manual handoffs, and engineers can focus on features that drive the business forward instead of having to create screens and components. Bifurist works by converting the Figma design into clean code that can be dropped into Visual Studio Code. Any design updates can be shipped without engineering hours. Bifurist is an excellent tool for designers and engineers looking to streamline the development process and save time. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed our list of the top 5 AI developer tools. We've just gone through some of the slickest AI developer tools out there, and you can't deny it's impressive stuff. They enable us to be more efficient, productive, and creative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.